Go on him.
I look like a referee. Insta 360. Go. It is. Ready?
Loose the pants. Soft.
So much.
Okay. I see what's going on here.
Lucky, get white.
I see what's going on here. Capris. Tights. Daddy, you know as much underpants as me. Gloves. Daddy, look on them gloves here. Look on them gloves here. Look at them look silky and nice. It's a good thing someone never put on my ear.
You want him?
Why you say so? Everything you see with you want.
I don't believe I want to touch the weird time.
Daddy, defend me now? You know some weird time already? Okay. Me have to beg for you to defend me? You can't just jump in. This is a ton.
That's it.
You are more useful as a corpse.
Moo. I've been wanting something like this for a long while.
Up on screen, up on the wall.
Cheers to them.
Come and tell the guys that one day running up and down themselves. By a blessing.
Alright, yeah man.
Ready?
You like the one?
I forget to say you did it. I forget to say you did it. It's a record.
Oh, the phone.
And all along I cock up my foot.
Come.
Clearing up
What? Me not. What's up for the one you cook on?
Okay, the battery supposed to be in here. What the card? Now we're gonna the pad card because the pad card different from the manual card.
Yeah. Put this in this too.
When the boys
Oh, you're still here. It's currently 7:25 in the morning and we bought some stuff yesterday. But I didn't vlog yesterday, so I'll show you the camera.
Oh.
I'm gonna show you what we got. Yeah. I got this cute shirt. This is spoiled because that's what I am. Spoiled. I got a sesame shirt. Sesame Street.
Yes, sesame.
I like this. This cute California tee. This is for formal occasions. I like it. You know. Snoopy. Snoop Dogg. I look like a referee. I like it. And then there's plain black tea. It's a V-cut. Like in Jamaica too. It's a heart sweater. I didn't try any of these on when I was at the store. But I trust myself to know that, hey, small or big, it probably can fit me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so cute. And let me spoil my Christmas gift. Mom got me a camera. I've been wanting this camera. I'm vlogging my phone right now because I can't bother to take up my camera. But Mom bought me this camera. Insta 360 Go Ultra. Alright, bye bye. Merry Christmas. So I got my Christmas present early, remember? But I didn't open it up until this Christmas morning. Go back today. Oh my god. Let me look at it. Let's look at it later. There it goes. My new camera and Christmas morning. Merry Christmas, everybody. I bought some more stuff. Lilo instead pajamas because I wanted pajamas. I'm gonna start wearing pajamas. This is the top, and then I got a 3-piece set. This is matching with my mom. It has the top, it has the shorts, and it has the long pants. And I got ramen. I don't know the 4 of them what I read.
Big light in small tone. This will fit.
Daddy, like your eye. Like your eye. Then,
What are we doing?
like your eye, must say.
Oh, we have got them in your suitcase?
Yes.
Okay.
Are you a suitcase, sir?
They may heavy, you know.
May I read one from the plane too, so you don't worry.
No, I see that. How to stop running there? You know what?
Turn your head down, go on.
One, you one.
What do you think? The Harry Potter book them.
This look tough, man. You know, listen, Harry Potter and read everything already. You buy, watch it, man. You know nothing.
If they make me happy, for happy for me.
No, sir, that's not make somebody happy.
You know, only if you do Harry move from the book section before I go back.
That's yeah.
I got a Harry Potter advent calendar. I opened 1 and 2 already. 1, 2, and 16. I couldn't count. Let's open up number 3 because I skipped number 3. Where is number 3? A Harry Potter pen. Christmas recipes. What is this? Hi! It's a patch. I can sew this onto my clothes. Very good.
No, you need
Don't know the purpose of this.
look
Webcam cover stickers. Paintings of my work. I can use these in my journal. Ha! Keychain.
You get keychain.
You can't get it. And this is a stencil. Another keychain. No, you still can't get it. That one you attach to your pants too.
Let me see. Why do you even want that?
Yes, I do. I think this is a sticker. To and from greeting card or sticker. A patch with Hedwig. Hedwig. More cards. It's getting kind of repetitive. I think these are coasters. I'm gonna skip a number.
Goofball.
12. Another keychain. Tape. Wasabi tape. I think that's what it's called. Wasabi tape. Another patch. I'm not sure what this is. It's something else. Oh, it's a hot chocolate stick.
You can't keep it in a man, I feel one.
Which one you want?
Let me take this, I guess.
I never want that, so you can't get it. You don't know that's what you were gonna get. A corner stick.
I hear things I'm not demand for.
I said demand. Did I just give you willingly? Did you fight me for it? Okay. Oh, them tell you at the back where you gonna get. Huh, that's crazy. I was here thinking it was a surprise. Bought some stuff. This whole series. Wild Side. Wild Eyes. Wild Love. And then I bought the whole Harry Potter series. And saw these. They looked cute and I was like, I'm not sure about you because I like my shoes tall, but I decided to just run with it. I hope it does not disappoint I. Let's see what else I bought. Canvas. And I bought this pants. Look at it, it's nice cute toes. Don't look at my feet. No free toes. Size 0. I'm gonna go all in natural with my hair. So I bought Shea Moisturizer Styling Gel, Multi-Action Leave-In, Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and the oil. Something to journal. SP23. Yep.
Yeah, she wants you.
I'll tell you what else I bought later.
Some bacon, we can probably make some.
How do you like my new hair? I bought some stuff. I bought some numbers to journal. Some more stickers to journal. Some inspirational quotes to journal. I bought some keychains. Yeah, add them to my bag.
You can't give me one and two?
No. And this one, the red one. Pink one. Green one. Are your foot smell so cheesy? Smell your foot.
You choose the socks.
One. But one more.
Red put you know put your red bunny.
Daddy,
Me tell us some more red.
you never said nothing about no red. Did you change your mind and say about a war red?
No.
Beige. Ah yeah, from the straw. You know, me get food because I'm not smart. The cover for them. For the straw. Purple for Chase. Here you go, Chase. And that is all there is. These poppy thingies are so nice.
Take out some money. Yes,
Wish I got a Harry Potter shirt. Hogwarts shirt.
I got a nice
Hogwarts
chain. I got a
shirt.
nice chain. This is more important than
I
what
love
you're saying.
Hogwarts.
I got a nice chain.
Harry Potter. I was supposed to get this huge shoes. I'm going to put a picture right here. But when I went to the store,
have to put the
after
picture right
lots
here.
of deliberation,
Put the picture right here.
they said size 9. I have to put a picture right here because I don't have it. Size 9 and I'm a size 7.5. And they're like, oh, we don't sell wholesale. We don't sell half a size. We only sell size 8. And I'm like, cool. Size 8 it is. I will wear it big. They're like, no, we don't have size 8. We only have size 9. But we brought other options. I don't want other options. Other options weren't even as tall as that. But you know what? Such is life. So I did retail therapy and I bought 2 blind boxes. This one and this one because I like keychains. So I'm going to open up the biggest one first because this is one I bought
Make it like
first.
keychain, man.
The audacity!
I can afford to buy keychains, unlike you. Don't put in nasty, cheesy, dirty foot palm it.
Go away. That's any for though.
Go and go do it, no man.
I have my headphones on.
Why did it say tear right there, so I need to do the tear? That was useless. Anyways.
Which one come out that?
Look at the options. Let me see which one I would want.
Cheers, now you have it sit back right this.
I would want the black and white one. Look at it.
I would want the red one. The one was up on the display.
It smells nice, see? I got the purple. Boy, I'm not even know which purple one.
Oh, that's cute.
Yes.
A Rasta.
I got this one. Look at it. So cute. Look at the fluffy ears. And look at its angry eyes. And it's a bib. And then there's this one. I already started opening it. Here are options. I guess the anger would be nice. See, social phobia would fit me quite nice. Oh, on the box it tells me, I opened the box, and it did tell me which one I was going to get. So which means the one I would just open, I'm going to get that one. I'm getting affection. After I don't want affection. Let's see it open. You look first. Which one we get, Daddy? Which one we get? We get the affection, the pink one. I got what was on the card, and in this one, I got what was on the card. They shouldn't do that. Them just spoil the fun then. Ah, there we go. Look at it. So cute. Okay. That's all I bought. I'm sad the shoes didn't come with me, but it is what it is. I did a thing. Again. And again. Here are the options. I don't want a brown one. I like brown.
I see anything.
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 options. I'm going to pull the same one like yesterday. Yeah. It's not pink. It's yellow and pink.
And I see anything.
No, the next one are purple. This is yellow and pink. Different expression. So cute. So cute. And it smells so. I want to know which perfume them use for it. It smells nice. And you smell it? It's on the bag.